full body relaxation technique. So this technique is something that you can do on your own without my guidance once you know how to do it. And you certainly don't need to look at this video. You can put the phone next to you while you lay down or sit up in a chair. Relax your body completely while you're sitting or laying down as best as you can. Close your eyes. As you close your eyes, focus on your breath and notice the cool air that you breathe in and the warm air that you exhale. And as you continue breathing in this way, continue focusing on the cool air coming in through your nose and the warm air exhaling out of your nose. I'm going to mention body parts to you, which I want you to focus on when I mention them, and imagine that you're breathing into that part of your body. I'm going to start at your feet and come all the way up to the top of your head, and then I'm going to ask you to notice any parts of your body that may be calling out for your attention, for you to breathe into those parts of your body, and then I'll give you some time to do that, and then you would have practiced this technique on your own and have an idea of how to improvise and improve on it to suit your specific needs. So as you are, continue breathing, noticing the cool air as you breathe in and the warm air as you breathe out. Focus on your breathing, focus on your body. Notice the temperature of the air around you. Feel it on your face, on your skin. Listen for any sounds outside your home or the environment that you're in. Are there birds chirping, or is there raindrops falling? Just listen for sounds, maybe cars in the background, in the distance. Just become aware of your environment. As you continue breathing, noticing the cool air going in through your nostrils and the warm air coming out. So with your eyes closed, I'm going to start mentioning the body parts. Toes, relax. So breathe into your toes and picture the breath going out of your toes, taking with it all stress and anxiety. And so continue doing that for each body part that I'll mention to you, even though I won't say breathe into your feet and breathe out of your feet, or breathe into your knees and breathe out of your knees. That's the practice you will do. Knees, feet, lungs, heart, whichever body part I mention or that you choose to focus on after the meditation or when you do it on your own, please go ahead and just breathe into that part, breathe out of it, and ask your body to relax. So, toes, relax. Feet, relax. Ankles, relax. Lower legs, relax. Knees, relax. Top legs, relax. Hips, relax. Stomach, relax. Internal organs, relax. Chest, relax. Neck and throat, relax. Face, relax. Head, relax. Arms, elbows, hands, fingers, relax. Back, relax. Buttocks, relax. Spine and chest, relax. Scalp, relax. Eyes, relax. cheeks, relax. Lips, relax. Jaw, relax. Tongue, relax. Forehead, relax. Ears, relax. Now scan your body from head to toe, from toe to head, and notice any parts of your body that may be calling for your breath, calling for your attention, and breathe into that part of your body. Continue scanning your body. Continue breathing into that part of your body that's calling for attention, and breathing out of that part of your body. And that's a quick way for you to relax your body, relax your mind, take your focused attention to your breath and breathing into different parts of your body. You can spend more time doing it on your own. You can also definitely do it more slowly than I did. I hope that you use this technique and find it useful, something you can practice when you're at work, when you just have 5 minutes and you want to just calm down. I'm Wendy Summers, a life and career coach. I assist people with information from their soul to support them in how to live a more full, happy, and balanced life. If you need some support, please reach out and let me know how I can assist. Lots of love. Take care.